Hello everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back to my returning viewers and subscribers. In this video I'm going to show you how I make my Jamaican rice and peas with the real coconut milk. Okay, all right, let's do this. This is the red beans that I'll be using. In Jamaica, we call it red peas. So you might hear me saying peas, red peas, and sometimes I'll say beans. Same thing. I'm starting by washing the red beans. Then I put it to soak. Add water to the beans and let it soak overnight. Soaking the peas overnight helps to cook it faster. Now I'm gonna make the coconut milk. This is a day after. So first I ox the coconut. Now we wash our coconut. You just wash it until it's clean. And then we drain it. Our coconut has been washed nice and clean. So now it's time to blend. This blender that I have is powerful. So that's why I didn't dice up my coconut. Cut them up like really small before blending. However, if you're using like one of those regular blenders, you would have to dice up your coconut. Cut them in small pieces before blending it. So now we're straining our coconut, and we just use our hand to squeeze out the milk. And we just keep doing this until we are finished. Just like that. Our freshly squeezed coconut milk is ready. This is the real deal. Good stuff. Okay, so we're ready to start cooking our rice and peas. We had the soaked peas to the pot. Then we had our freshly squeezed coconut milk. We had some garlic and pimento seed. And then we're gonna let this boil let the peas cook for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're gonna add our scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and our powdered seasoning. So after we had all the seasoning, then we're gonna allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. And the peas should be ready by then. To check if the peas is cooked, just pick up a small amount with a fork or a spoon and press on it to see if it's soft. And if it is, then you know your peas is ready. If not, then you'll allow it to cook a little longer. This is how I cook the real authentic Jamaican rice and peas. So the peas is cooked, so it's time to add the rice. I've already washed and drained my rice, so now I'm adding it to the pot. Then I'm gonna give it a stir. And the peas water should be like an inch above the rice. And we cook for 25 minutes. And then the rice and peas will be ready. Here it is. The rice and peas is ready. Looking lovely. Smells good. The taste of the coconut milk in the rice and peas makes a big difference. It's richness and good flavor to it. Have it with your favorite meat or whatever you like. So that's it for this one. Thank you so much.